What's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use technical indicators on Tradingview. Alright, it's going to be a quick video. We're not going to waste too much time on this one at all. Just going to give you guys a quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's jump straight into it. Now the first step, of course, is to select a chart. So you want to select the chart and click on the indicator button. And this will take you to the indicator library where you can browse and add indicators to your chart. Step 2 is to browse the indicator library. So just go ahead and browse the indicator library and add indicators to your chart. Tradingview has a wide range of indicators, including moving averages, RSI, Bollinger Bands, and more. You can also create your own custom indicators using PineScript. Now step 3 is to customize indicator settings. So you can customize indicator settings such as parameters and colors. You can adjust the parameters of an indicator such as the periods and smoothing to suit your specific needs, and you can also customize the colors and appearance of an indicator. Step 4, of course, is to learn how to interpret results. So learn how to interpret results and use indicators in your trading strategy. Indicators can provide valuable insights into market trends and patterns. However, it's essential to understand how to interpret the results and how to use them in your trading strategy. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to use technical indicators on Tradingview. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys in the next